What's up, ladies and gents? Is there any similarities between گیلکی and English? Let's have some fun. As you may know, I'm from Rash and I usually speak گیلکی at home. But it's not a language, it's a dialect. But there are some cool facts that you may want to know. Maybe گیلکی has helped me to learn English faster. These are the similarities between گیلکی and English. Number 1. The grammar. Present continuous. So let's say you and your friend decided to go out. You call your friend and say, "Are you coming?" He doesn't want to come because he's come down with a flu. So he says, in Persian, "Na, nemiam." In English, "No, I'm not coming." And in گیلکی, "Na, daram, nemiam." Exactly like English. Interesting. So, I didn't have to learn this grammar rule. Number 2. Adjective before the noun. So we all know in English, adjective comes before the noun. Let me give you an example. In English, we say, beautiful girl. In Persian, we say, دختر خوشگل. Adjective after the noun. But in گیلکی, you say, خوشگل دختر. Haha, I was born an American. Number 3. Vocabulary. There are some words that you can't find in Persian, but you have the synonyms in گیلکی. Like stuff. We can translate it into Persian, but not exactly. We can translate it برو گم شو. Not a word. But in گیلکی, we can say fuckish. You see? Told ya, گیلکی has helped me to learn English faster. But do you know what else has helped me to learn English? Zabanshenas. Zabanshenas has provided a lot of amazing content, including books, courses, movies, etc. for me to study the language every single day. And here I am, fluent in the most beautiful, useful language in the world. To download it, check out the link in bio or this link. By the way, today is the International Mother Language Day. What similarities your language has with English? Comment down below. Don't forget to save the post. It's going to be fun to review it. See ya.